Today's IT job opportunities for July 21st, 2026. Wish you the best of luck, and God bless you. Please check the video description for the full application links. Job title: Software Engineer 2 Full-Time. Employer: Interimage. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $50,000. Job title: Principal Python Software Engineer. Employer: Glycel Technologies. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $200,000. Job title: Senior Manager, Software Engineer. Employer: HIT Contracting Incorporated. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $120,000. Job title: Software Engineer, FACETS Extension/Application Development. Employer: System 1. Employment type: Full-Time. Job title: Software Developer, New Grad. Employer: JobRight.ai. Employment type: Full-Time. Job title: Director, Head of Software Engineering. Employer: HIT Contracting Incorporated. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $130,000. Job title: Staff Data Engineer, Data Engineering. Employer: CoreWeave. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $207,000. Job title: Junior Full-Stack Developer. Employer: Nyla Technology Solutions. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $100,000 to $140,000. Job title: Software Engineer, University Graduate. Employer: Citadel Securities. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $235,000. Job title: Principal Java Engineer, Financial Systems and Data Platform. Employer: Intellibus. Employment type: Contractor. Approximate salary: $75 to $85. Job title: Software Development Engineer 2, Bespoke Solutions. Employer: Amazon Web Services, AWS. Employment type: Full-Time. Job title: Senior Software Engineer in Test, Federal Classified. Employer: Okta. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $136,000. Job title: Data Engineer at JobRight.ai, Chicago, Illinois. Employer: JobRight.ai. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $80,000. Job title: Junior Data Engineer. Employer: Tech Consulting. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $35 to $40. Job title: Junior Full Stack Developer. Employer: Shield Consulting Solutions Incorporated. Employment type: Full-Time. Job title: Software Engineer, Team Lead/Front-End, 12+ YRS of experience, TS/SCIW/Poly clearance is require. Employer: Halogen Engineering Group Incorporated. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $25,000. Job title: Data Stage Engineer. Employer: Exchange Software Incorporated. Employment type: Contractor. Approximate salary: $50 to $55. Job title: AWS Data Engineer. Employer: Exchange Software Incorporated. Employment type: Contractor. Job title: Principal Software Engineer. Employer: CVS Health. Employment type: Full-Time. Approximate salary: $144,200. Job title: Software Engineer, Intern. Employer: Citadel. Employment type, internship.